Hello Hacktours! On eBay I found these cheap USB rechargeable batteries that you can power up anywhere and no charger needed. So I ordered and they cost about $6. So here they are, USB rechargeable batteries, made in China of course, and wait 1 month to receive it. As you can see, you will get 2 pieces 1.2 volts USB rechargeable batteries with 450 mAh of power and 500 rechargeable cycles. Behind the package there is specification on how to use the batteries and how long it needs to be recharged when they are plugged into any USB power outlet. First, I'm gonna measure how much they weigh, because if they are super light, probably are bad batteries. Each of them weighed 15 grams, both of them 30 grams, and just to compare, full Duracell battery weighed 25 grams. When you plug the battery to USB port, red LED light will turn on, that means charging. When the light switches to blue, the battery is fully charged. Next test is to see how much current they pull out when they charge, and we're gonna use this USB doctor gadget that shows voltage, time, capacity and live current meter. The USB doctor shows that they are pulling around 150 mAh, which is decent current for charging. Next test is to measure fully charged batteries. As you can see, both of them have around 1.3 volts. My final thoughts about these USB rechargeable batteries, besides they are super cheap, they are very practical because of one reason, and that's it, you can charge it anywhere on any USB power outlet. I am unboxing really cool DIY desktop gadget called Meter Mini Wireless Bluetooth Laser Engraving Machine. Beside the cool looking machine, inside the package is included this green protecting glass so you can't damage your eyes while machine is working. You will find USB cable for charging and interface with computer. Couple of paper and wood pieces for engraving, a hex key, marker pen, user manual and installation driver CD. On top of the engraver there is small fan for cooling the laser, which have 1500 mW of power. Check this out, it have built-in lithium battery with 6000 mAh and Bluetooth connectivity, which make this mini engraver portable and can work 3 hours with one charging. Now let's power up, scan the code from behind the machine, install the app and connect via Bluetooth. It can't be simpler than this. You have wondered how you can attach files. There are a couple of ways. The first one, you can draw anything with marker, take a picture, edit in app and send the photo to the machine, and after that just click start on your phone and laser start engraving. second method is you can use any image in black and white and upload to the machine. Also, you can directly type any text and hand draw on the app, send it to the machine, and voila, it's simple than you think. More information about this mini engraver you can check the link below. In my hands I'm holding Crazy Baby Nano and Crazy Baby 1S true wireless headphones. First, I'm gonna open Nano headphones and listen this. They have carbon nanotube membrane, battery lasts from 8 to 12 hours and stabilized Bluetooth connectivity. In package beside the capsule with the headphones you will get user manual, 5 pair of ear tips, and this short USB to USB Type-C charging cable. Now let's open the capsule and test these Nano earbuds. As you can see, they look super cool. To turn on, just press on top of earbuds and you will see white light indicating that they wait for connectivity. And believe me, they connect with your smartphone very fast. Listening music for about 15 minutes and I will tell you that these wireless Nano earbuds are rocking and they have long distance Bluetooth range. Charging the Nanos is amazing. You take the capsule, place the earbuds holded by magnetic induction connectors, and from full discharge to full charge for earbuds are needed 60 minutes, and for charging the capsule it needs 70 minutes. Now I'm gonna test 1S headphones by Crazy Baby, and this one can provide up to 12 hours of listening. Also, speakers are made from carbon nanotube membrane, they have secure and comfortably fit for any ear. Built-in microphone, Bluetooth 5.0 ready, sweat-proof and USB Type-C charging port for capsule. In package you will get a bunch of extra ear tips and also they include silicone sleeves and short USB cable for charging. Air Headphones 1S have high fidelity sound, passive noise insulation, true wireless stereo, Bluetooth connectivity and IPX6 waterproof. To turn them on, just press on Crazy Baby logo on both earbuds and connect with your smartphone. Can be easier. To mention that are very comfortably and secured in your ear while you listen. True wireless stereo and they deliver ultra fast responses for elegant and sophisticated sound. Also, these earbuds you can charge in capsule, and if you charge just 5 minutes, they can provide up to 90 minutes of listening music, which is very impressive. Both models of Air Headphones by Crazy Baby you can check in link below. Now let's open the box and see what can offer this 4K HDR camera. First that I check is that I got free 16GB micro SD card, which is nice touch by Seabird. No one gives free memory cards, that for sure. Now let's see it what have this camera. From the side there are small holes for the speaker. Here it is micro USB port for charging and interface and micro SD slot. At bottom there is tiny holes for microphone and battery that have 1050 mAh. C-Burst 4 camera have 13 megapixel Sony sensor with 7-layer glass lens, 2.6 aperture, 150 degrees lens angle and 2 inches touchscreen, which is very responsive. This camera have built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, so you can connect with your smartphone, but first you need is to download the app from App Store. As you can see, the preview almost have no video lag, and you can preview in HD resolution, which is big plus. From the app you can control everything, choosing the video resolution you want: 4K, 2.7K, Full HD or slow-mo recording at HD resolution and 120 frames per second. Also very fast, you can transfer the media files from camera to your smartphone and watch it in high resolution if your phone supports that. The C-Burst 4K is most affordable sport camera that is HDR, that means high dynamic range, and record great images and videos with super quality. In next couple of seconds you will watch video samples of this camera. For $89 you get 4K HDR camera that have touchscreen, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, shoot slow-mo videos at 120 frames per second, live HD preview on your smartphone with almost no lag, 13 megapixel Sony sensor with 7-layer glass lens and 6-axis stabilization technology. For more information visit the link below. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.